and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as I'm sure you saw by the title, we are going to be creating this look right here. Now this look was 100% copied from anything but marzipan, is what it says. On Pinterest is where I found the photograph. Oh boy. This is not easy. Oh, there it goes. Okay, can you see? There we go. And then her name. Okay. 100%. But I saw this and I was like, I have to recreate that. I want that on my eyeball. I came across this because I was looking up St. Patrick's Day looks with the intention of creating one prior to the holiday, but unfortunately it just didn't work out that way for me. So then that kind of led me into, you know, not only green looks, but like Irish flag inspired looks, and this just screamed my name. I really liked it and I wanted to recreate it, and I think it turned out so pretty. So I would like to show you guys exactly how I did this. So this look is technically inspired by the colors of the Irish flag, and I really think they look flattering on my eyeball. I do have some sort of percentage of Irish in my genetic makeup, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look right here onto this one, then just keep watching. So the very first thing we're going to do is the cut crease part. I haven't practiced my cut creases in a while, and it shows. At least in my opinion. I am not, this was hard. I'll just say that. This was hard to do. So to get the green color, the first one I'm going to be using the shade Daddy in the James X Morphe palette. So I'm going to be applying that color with a Morphe E17 brush. This is kind of like a thicker, fluffy brush. I'm going to first start by patting the color here into the upper crease area. That way I don't have like a crazy amount of pigment everywhere. And then I'm going to start kind of buffing it in lightly. I prime my eyes using concealer. That's not a new process for me. That's how I always prime my eyes. So I've already done that. I did that as I was kind of finishing up my base. So I don't know if you guys remembered, in one of my previous videos I mentioned that I was going to order the P.Louise eyeshadow base. And I did on February 5th. It is March 19th. I still don't have it. I have messaged that company twice. I waited for like literally over a month before messaging because I knew it was coming from overseas. I waited a while. And of course, you know, I finally sent a message because I also never got a like shipping confirmation that it, you know, had actually been sent. They took my money. I got the confirmation that they got the order, but nothing else. Like after that, it was silence. I knew nothing. Just really quick before I go on with the story. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, this like lime green one, and it is called Social Blade. I'm going to be applying this using a Morphe M433 brush. So I'm going to first start by doing the same thing, like tapping down the color, and then we'll start blending it out. Yeah, so anyway, so I try to get a hold of them, you know, via their website, and I can't because like all the phone numbers I can't call, and the web address, like their email address, was like not registered, or I don't know, Gmail was just like, nah bro, this ain't real. So I had to go to their Instagram and message them that way. I was just, you know, like, hey, where's my product? And they finally got back to me and they were like, oh, it was sent back to us. Don't know. I literally don't know why it went back to them, but it kind of is just like irritating because it's like, okay, well you got my product back and you weren't going to tell me? You're just going to keep my money, I guess. So, strike one. So, this person, whoever I was talking to, they kept calling me babe also at the end of every, like, response they would send me. They'd be like, babe, XO. So that was annoying. Not very professional in my opinion. I'm going to be taking this Morphe M507 brush. It's a very tiny, fluffy brush, and I'm going to take a little bit more of that Daddy shade and blend the two colors together. Yeah, so anyway, you know, once that conversation was done, essentially, you know, they asked me if I wanted them to send it again, and of course I said yes. So they said, okay, and I was like, am I going to get a confirmation this time? Like, can I get a way to track this thing? And they're like, yeah, sure. That was the beginning of March I did that, and now I did that. I messaged them back like just a few days ago, yesterday or the day before. So literally like 2 more weeks go by. Haven't heard anything from this company. Again, still no package. So I messaged them again, like, hello, like, Where's my package? I don't understand. And all they send me is, oh, here's your shipping information. It says that it's in the city that I live in as of 4 days ago. But like, why? It says, sorry, your item was sent to the city that I live in error, and it has now been rerouted. Why? Where is it going? Like, why will it not come I don't understand why it will not come to my house. I'm so confused. I don't know. Like, there's nowhere to call. I don't even know where this is. Like, where is it in this town? So, anyway, long story short, I'm still using concealer to prime my eyes because this P.Louise makeup base is never going to make it to my house. So, if I never end up getting this product and I end up getting a refund, that's the last time I try to deal with this company, like, for real. So, one last time I'm going to blend everything together with the brush. I'm not applying any extra product either. So I'm going to go ahead and, like, highlight my brow bone super quick because I almost forgot to on my other eye. So I'm just going to be taking the shade Tempera in the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm just going to be applying it, you know, right here underneath the brow bone. So now what I'm going to do is actually cut the crease itself. So I'm going to be taking this brush right here. This is a Morphe M124 brush. It's just a little packer brush. And the same concealer that I used to put on my face today, which is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to speed this up because this eye, the done eye, it took me probably 10 minutes at least to cut the crease. That's how out of practice I am. So I'm going to do it. You guys can watch. So I'm going to set it. So I'm just going to take some of that Tempera shade, the same one that we used, to just kind of set through here. So now we are going to do this portion. So the first shade I'm going to take is Chickadee by Makeup Geek. Do you guys remember them? Nobody talks about them anymore. What's going on with Makeup Geek? What's up with their life? So I'm going to be applying that with a Sigma E30 pencil brush, just right along the lash line. And just buff away. And the other eye, I wasn't super, like, careful or, you know, very detailed about where I put it, and I think it kind of turned out really well. Next, we're going to take the shade Real Gar from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. It's the orange one right here. And then, as soon as I get that one blended in, I'm going to be taking the Cypress Umber shade right above it. I'm going to use the exact same brush for both colors. This is the Morphe M213 brush. So it's very tiny and detailed, but it gives me the precision that I need to create this look. Just look at that pretty color. Like, look how these blend together. And then with each color application, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Chickadee. And I just kind of blended the edge with that Cypress Umber, and I'm only going to put it here in the outer corner. Of course, my eye's gonna start watering right now. So you see where I'm putting that? Just only here in the outer edge, the outer corner. More of the Chickadee on that edge. I don't want any harsh lines, honey. And then just a tiny bit more of Real Gar, because I feel like the brown kind of took over, and I don't want to lose that orange color. That is the upper lash line complete. How easy! So we're going to do literally the exact same thing to the lower lash line. Okay, so now time for the glitter. So the glitter that I'm using is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. Everybody's favorite glitter. And I'm just going to go along the cut crease line and put it on there. And a little in the inner corner, just for a little ching ching. Okay, here we go. Total concentration. Go off of camera, put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. All I did was throw on some lashes and of course put on some bottom mascara and called it a day. The lashes that I am wearing are the ones that I get from TJ Maxx, the lashes something. If I can find them on Amazon, of course I will link them there for you so that you guys can of course get your own. It's driving me nuts that I can't think of that name now. Like I said, this is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this super quick tutorial. It really wasn't that difficult to recreate, so go us. So that's going to be it for this video. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The button to do so is right down below. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. And of course, leave me a comment down below. How did you guys spend your St. Patty's Day? I spent mine working. No green beer for me this year, but that's okay. So thanks again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!